Hey guys, welcome to any channel. In this video I'm gonna show you what the boot key for Acer Aspire One Pro. So here we go. First of all, you just have to restart your laptop, and when it's turned off you have to power on the laptop and keep pressing the F12 key, and that's it guys. Now you can see we're in boot menu. So from here you can boot into USB or in your hard drive or in any other device that you wanna boot. So as you can see, it's the Acer Aspire One Pro. So this is the boot key for this laptop, F12. So guys, that's all in this video. Make sure to sub the channel and leave a thumbs up. Bye for now.